What better way to have increased self-love and increased joy in your life than treating yourself to something fun? Going to be opening this wonderful box that I got from Adrienne Furrie Makeup. I'm going to go ahead and put a link to her here for you to see. Adrienne Furrie is a local makeup artist where I live in Calgary, Alberta, and she's absolutely incredible. I was introduced to her because my sister wears her makeup, and my sister started showing up at my house with this unstoppable glow on her face, and I was like, what is it? And how do I get some? So we had a little makeup party at her house. If you live in the Calgary area, I would definitely suggest you call up Adrienne and find out how you can have a makeup party at your house for your girlfriends. And I bought a bunch of her makeup. And now she has started the box subscription system. So I'm gonna open this up and we are going to unbox this together. I do not know what she sent me, so this is gonna be exciting. Hey guys, here we are. So I just busted into this box like an absolute savage, as you should when you get something you're super excited about in the mail. And oh my gosh, look, check this out. On first impressions, look at this. Beautiful. That key. Ah! I'm super excited. Okay, so the first thing, you guys, I just interruption. I just saw that she put a Lindor chocolate in the box. So yes, Adrienne, I'm here for this. This is good. This is great. Thank you. Mwah. So she has included a letter, and I'm not going to read it all because it is actually quite the long letter, but I am really into this because it is very much in line with what we talk about here on my channel, and it has 10 things I dream about trying and ways I'd like to change my life. So look, there's this cute little manifesto situation on the back, which is all things that we talk about here on this channel, especially if you watch any of my happy hack videos. So I'm here for this. I think this is definitely an affirmation for all of us that we are on the right track with our lives. So 10 things I dream about trying and ways I'd like to change my life. So that's interesting. Oh, and then 3 tiny steps that you could take to start making this more real. So this is very much creating the life you love and taking inspired action. So wonderful step, Adrienne. This is amazing that you've included this in here. This little moment of, you know, self-love, indulgent, but also self-love, spirituality. I'm into it. Such a good idea. This magnet clip, I feel like, is 100% a gift from the universe because I use a notebook to plan out all my YouTube content, and I have been needing, like literally the last 2 days, I've been like, oh, I need one of those little magnet clip things. So look at that, the universe just delivered it via Adrienne. So thank you, Adrienne Furrie. This will not go to waste. Amazing. Another little card. Loving your Adrienne Furrie gift boxes. So far, Adrienne, yes, I am loving my gift box. I can share the love. Okay, so this is a little referral program card. I am going to definitely put the link for this box into this YouTube video. And if makeup is something that you would like to try out and you're into supporting a smaller maker, which I always am into supporting a smaller maker, you will go ahead and check her out. I use all of her foundation. Actually, I use all of her makeup. I use her eyebrow pencil, I use her foundation, I use her lipsticks, I use her contour, I use her highlighter in all of my videos. The only thing I don't use from her is the mascara, and that's because I was using up my old mascara and didn't need to buy one yet. If you like my makeup, which I really do, then Adrienne Furrie is where I get that, and I will put a link to her store there for you for this video. What else did we get? Okay, so here is the makeup. This is how Adrienne's makeup comes. It comes in these beautiful boxes, which I'm very much into. I love her logo. I love her branding. This is a cosmetic pencil for the eye, which is definitely something I've been needing because I feel like I've been wanting to sort of darken out my eyes when I go back and edit my YouTube videos. I think that I could use a little bit more. So this is a black, is it black? Let's see. Let's pretend I'm Kylie Jenner. Oh, okay. So this is actually not black. This is like a smoky blue situation. It's gonna be great. I have green eyes. I can see that really kind of giving a little pop to my eyes. So I'm into it. I love it. I definitely am going to use it. You're going to see it in my next YouTube video for sure. The next thing she sent along to me is a lipstick. This is called Love Lust, and it is a high gloss lipstick, which again, I'm really into because I like a glossy lipstick. I've never really been a fan of the matte lipsticks. So this is that lipstick there. So here it is, and here it is on my hand. I'm not a beauty vlogger. This is just an unboxing video. More importantly, this is a self-love video because sometimes you gotta treat yourself to some things. So I'm gonna pop this on. Thank God for my viewfinder. It couldn't be more spot on for me. So Adrienne has met me. She knows my coloring. She knows sort of what I look like. And she also knows that I love pink. I have a pink chart. I'm sitting on a pink chart. She knows I love pink. And this is not only spot on for me, this is something that I'm going to get a ton of use out of. So thank you, Adrienne, for this Love Lust High Gloss Lipstick. Something else she added in here, which is so cute, being that this box came in springtime, she has included some really cute seeds for my garden, which will definitely get planted in my garden. Oh, and look, these seeds coordinate back to her wrapping paper, so that's so cute. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Soil. So I'm guessing that that has to do with, I'm guessing I have to read the instructions to find out about that. So I think probably that's just a bit of a starter for me to get going on my seeds. I'll read the note card and I'll find out what that is. But something else I noticed actually as I was unwrapping that box is back to her wrapping paper. You guys, this is so cute and this is so thoughtful, and I think this kind of sums up Adrienne. I've only met her one time, but she truly cares about her clients so much. She puts so much love into her makeup. So please consider supporting her. Please consider checking out her website, because this paper matches not only the seeds, but it also matches the lipstick, and it matches the navy blue and the dark navy blue black of the eyeliner. So that just pulled it all together and made it really super sweet, and I really felt like she took an extra moment to care about me, her customer, when she packaged that. So that is my Adrienne Furrie monthly, or I should say quarterly, box unpacking. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you've jumped over to Adrienne's website and you have checked her out. Check out her YouTube videos, get to know her, tell her Liz says hi, and don't forget, if you are loving content like this, and if you are changing what matters to you, taking inspired action in your life to create a life that you love, then you are going to subscribe to this channel, because that is what we do around here. Thank you so much for showing up. I'm going to go ahead and toss over here a couple links of some other videos that I think you might be into. If you are into thrifting, I'm going to pop a thrift video, you know, down there. And if you are into happy hacks and learning more about creating a life that you love, I'm going to pop that video up there. My name is Liz. I couldn't be here without you. I'm so grateful for every single person that shows up for my video, and I will see you again soon. Bye!